Understanding the 8822B process, change of address or responsible party for a business. Form 8822B, issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, is used by businesses to notify the IRS of changes to their business address or the identity of their responsible party. Keeping this information up to date is critical to ensure compliance and to avoid missed communications from the IRS. When to use Form 8822B. Change of business address. If the business has relocated to a new physical or mailing address. Change of responsible party. When the individual or entity responsible for controlling, managing, or directing the business changes, e.g., a new CEO, partner, or trustee. For most entities, the responsible party is the person who has significant control over the company's finances and operations. Key sections of Form 8822B. Part 1, Identification. Enter the business name, IN, employer identification number, and old address to identify the entity. Part 2, New information. Provide the updated business address, including street, city, state, and zip code. If changing the responsible party, include the name and social security number, SSN, individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, or IN of the new responsible party. Part 3, Signature. The form must be signed by an authorized person, such as the business owner, officer, or other representative. How to file Form 8822B. Complete the form. Ensure all required fields are completed accurately. Submit to the IRS. Mail the completed form to the appropriate IRS address provided in the form's instructions. The address varies depending on the location of the business. Timeline for filing. The form must be filed within 60 days of the change to avoid penalties. Why the 8822B process is important. Compliance. Keeping the IRS informed ensures compliance with federal regulations. Avoiding penalties. Failure to notify the IRS of changes may result in penalties, especially in cases involving the responsible party. Accurate communication. Ensures that critical IRS notices, such as tax payment reminders or audit communications, are sent to the correct address or party. Who needs to file? Corporations, partnerships, LLCs. Any business entity with an IN that experiences a change in address or responsible party. Trusts. Trusts with an IN must also file when there is a change in address or trustee. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is a responsible party? The responsible party is the individual who has significant control over the finances and operations of the entity. 2. Can Form 8822B be filed electronically? Currently, the form must be mailed to the IRS. 3. What happens if the form isn't filed on time? Failure to file within 60 days can result in penalties, and the IRS may send sensitive communications to outdated addresses. Conclusion. Form 8822B is essential for businesses to maintain compliance with IRS requirements regarding address and responsible party information. Timely filing ensures accurate communication with the IRS and avoids potential penalties. For more details, consult the IRS website or the instructions provided with Form 8822B.